Tracking your finances with GnuCash and dealing with HIST history files. These maintain your transaction history and account changes over time. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to manage these GnuCash history files for reliable financial record keeping. Pro tip: for HIST files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. Users typically encounter HIST files within their GnuCash data directory. They are looking for information about these files because they are part of the application's internal logging or transaction history mechanism. The user's goal is usually to understand the file's purpose or troubleshoot data corruption issues. The HIST file is likely a plain text or structured log file. This simple design provides a human-readable or easily parsable record of actions or changes within the GnuCash application. It serves as an audit trail, crucial for maintaining the integrity and traceability of financial data. The initial software setup links the HIST file directly to GnuCash by the GnuCash project. Only a dedicated viewing tool can accurately confirm the integrity of the file's content. Windows allows minimal preview, but accurate reading requires tools made for that data format. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your HIST file and select Open with. Test GnuCash if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If the HIST file won't open, don't panic. You're dealing with a stubborn file. Let's test the following common failure points to see where the problem is originating. First, letting GnuCash manage files. Allow GnuCash to manage HIST files automatically without manual intervention. The application creates and updates history files during normal operation. These files work together with the main GnuCash data file, providing automatic backup and undo capabilities through the application's interface. Next, restoring previous states. Use GnuCash's history features to revert to earlier database states, accessible through edit then undo or specialized restore operations. The HIST files enable rollback of accidental changes, preserving your ability to recover from data entry errors without manual transaction reversal during routine bookkeeping. Finally, backing up complete set. Include HIST files in your GnuCash backup procedures alongside the main data file. Both file types are necessary for complete restoration of your financial records with full history. Store backups in multiple locations, ensuring financial record protection for tax and audit purposes through reliable backup discipline. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-Zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagic is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagic. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.